Guys, Clint here with MarineMax Dallas. Today we're going to check out a 2025 Mastercraft XT24. Let's check it out. As we're in the back of the boat, this XT comes standard with the surf pipe exhaust. This makes a night and day difference on just the surfing behind the boat. Makes it more enjoyable being back here. Let's check out the rest of the boat. As we're in the transom of the boat, this is equipped with the rear loungers back here on either side with the flip up backrests. This does come standard with the sea deck walkthrough, so you're not stepping on any upholstery to get inside the boat. This is equipped with two tower speakers from Clips. You also have your rear convertible seating. As we're inside the cockpit, along with the convertible seating here, you do have starboard and port side backrest. So really everybody's not turning their head all day. You also have your observer seat here. So a lot of good seating throughout this boat. As we're on to the dash here, this is equipped with a brand new redesigned dash, your 12-inch touchscreen with SurfStar system, everything in there. Super integrated, really easy to use. You also have the My Drive dial here with all the quick buttons as you're going down the water. Let's check out the bow of the boat. As Mastercraft does best, 20 years in industry with the leading in the pickle fork bow design, so it really maximizes your width of a lot of seating up here. This boat is equipped with a bow further cushion, which you can take out and stow away if need be, with a nice walkway all the way up to the bow. If this is something that interests you, we have plenty of other models too. My name is Clint Reether. Thanks for checking us out.